Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can reduce background noise of your video using InShot. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, I'm going to open up my InShot application on my mobile phone, and then I'm going to create new project on InShot. So I'm going to select video and then select new, and you can choose a video you want to remove the background noise from. I'm going to select a video from my gallery. Wait, guys. Okay, wait. For example, I'm going to choose this video. I'm going to remove or reduce the background noise of this video. So I'm going to add the video to my project. Okay, and this is for the original video. Wait, I'm going to change the canvas. Okay, then I'm going to show you how we can remove or reduce the background noise of this video. We can go to the volume and then we can simply click on the noise. Okay, and this is after I denoise the video. I know that there is just a little difference, but at least the noise is reduced. And if you are still not satisfied with the result, you can export the video first, and then you can repeat this step after the video has been exported to your device. You just need to go back to the main menu on InShot and create new project, and you can import the video we have exported. Wait guys. Okay, now the video has been exported, and I'm going to create new project again and import the video we have just saved. Okay, and we can apply the noise again to our video. Tap on the volume, tap on the noise, and we can export the video. And you can repeat this step many times until you get the result that you want. Okay, after this video has been exported, you can create a new project again and apply the noise. Okay guys, and that's all the way to reduce background noise of our video using InShot. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you found this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit the like button, leave your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. Bye!